Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a very simple smoky eye look. I'm sure everyone looks a good smoky eye, so let's do smoky eye. What you'll need a kajal and a brown eyeshadow or a pink eyeshadow, whatever color you want to smoke it out with. I have taken my bronzer because I love this color. So what I'm doing, I'm simply taking my bronzer and applying that in my crease of the eye, and I'll keep blending till it looks good so that it doesn't have any harsh edges. I'll keep blending, and then you can take a simple kajal, whatever kajal you have, that's fine. No, you don't have to take the kajal which I have used. Take any good kajal which is actually which you can actually smudge, because you will need to smudge. Take a little kajal like you can see now. You can also apply some eyeshadow in your lower eyelashes. It makes it look balanced. Now I'm doing the same thing in my second eye. I'm trying to balance both the eyes so that it looks similar. It's tough, but we have to do it. What to do? I'm sure everyone has seen Avyan till now. He's roaming around in the room. So I've just applied bronzer a little. You can take any eyeshadow of your choice. Just take one eyeshadow, blend it, and then apply some kajal over it, and then blend that too. Blend. That's your key to a good smoky eye. In the description bar below, you can check that out if you want to know what all products I used. It's a very simple smoky eye. Obviously, I think everyone can try it. If you try it, please leave a comment down below if you have liked this or not. And at any point, if you think the other eye is more darker, you can always adjust according to your need. Now I'm taking my mascara, because girls, mascara is very essential. I keep telling in every video, but you have to understand that mascara is actually a very essential part of your makeup. And then I will just finish it off with my lipstick. I'm using a Meher lipstick from MAC. It's a very soft pink lipstick. It suits very nicely in Indian skin tone. So you can, because we have done smoky eye, we can keep lips a little neutral so that it balances out and it doesn't look too bold or too harsh. I don't want to go for that look. If you have not subscribed so far, please subscribe. I'm going to come up with many makeup and fashion and motherhood videos, so please stay tuned for that. Avyan is playing at the back, you can see, right? I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comment which kind of video would you like me to do next. Here's the final look. Thank you guys.